Hi guys, in this video we are going to discuss about the Tata Consultancy Services TCS National Qualified Test, which is conducted as per the TCS schedules. So in December, the test date is given on the 25th December 2021 onwards. This is exam for the December month cycle. The TCS NQT is going to conduct exams in December, March, and June. These are the exam cycles in the year of the TCS NQT examinations. Suppose you are in a pre-final or the final or already the pass out examination in engineering, graduation, post-graduation, or the normal degree and the PG or diploma. If these courses, if you are in the pre-final examination, pre-final course or final year course or pass out of that course, then you are eligible for TCS NQT examination. These TCS NQT will going to give a standard score which is valid for the 2 years for the date of results date. Suppose your results is passed in 2021 in December, then your score is valid till 2023 December. In 2 years of validity this certificate, you're going to accept this score in various MNCs in India, like say Geo Platforms, Wheelie, Sakshi Infotech, Simmons, Port Signals, Scientific Games, Common Scope, Elexon, UST Global, Codium, Trace, ITC, such as many MNCs company like Ramco and the TVS Motors and TCI Express and UST Global. There are such a long, the many MNCs are going to accept TCS NQT score. Let's go into check what is the exact eligibility for this examination. See here, the various eligibility as given. These eligibility is considered as per the post wise. Suppose we are looking for the programmer, which is called a developer, then you should be the BE or BTech, ME or MTech, MCA or MSc. You should be in these are the qualification required. See here, aspiring for the programmer role in the TCS IT hiring. IT means information technology. So for this job profile, you need the specified qualification as we said earlier. Next, if you're going for the non-IT like BPO or KPO, like say any audit skills, certain if you have the basic computer skills or aptitude skills, so those kind of jobs, the qualification is required a normal degree, undergraduate or the postgraduate. Suppose you are looking for the financial marketing or the banking marketing sites, you need a BCom or BBA or MBA or BSc or MSc or any UG PG degree with minimum pass out marks. Most of the IT companies will prefer 60% marks throughout 10th inter degree. And also if you have an engineering degree, then you need a minimum 60% marks. Even if you have a ME, MTech or MCA or MSc, so 60% marks is required. If you are going for the accounting and the financial side, you need these degrees like say BCom, BBA and so on. And there is another degree it's required for the retail marketing, insurance marketing, e-commerce marketing, means these are the jobs which provided by the Amazon, Flipkart or any other e-commerce websites. They're going to consider UG and PG degrees. So for this you need, these are the skills where this NQT will going to polish your skills by conducting this examination, which we called as National Qualifier Examination. And the last, manufacturing, retail, pharma, insurance or any other industries, they're also going to accept TCS NQT marks with help of these certain examinations. So these are the qualification is required. So if you have any questions on this, let's go into discuss. So these are the insights of NQT. See, the maximum package for the CTC is going to provide 19 lakhs per annum. The average salary for any MNC will going to give for entry level is 3 lakhs, which you get 25,000 after cut all the PF, TA, TA. So you will get maximum 18 to 21,000 in hand per month. So here is just now we talk about the validity is 2 years validity. Let's check it out. Where is this given? Yeah, here it is. The benchmark of a score with a validity of 2 years, and you have to apply with help of this score to the corporate jobs in their jobs. And suppose you are applied for this job and you got a successful score and you are passed out in this score. So what next? The next is you're going to apply the online for the various MNCs. Like say here is there the brand that acknowledge TCS NQT, which provides, these are the MNCs companies started by TCS, then Tata, ELX, XI, then MP, Mphasis, the Carrier and the Titan, and next this Publicis, the Sapient, and followed by the so many companies are accepting the NQT score. You're going to apply all these MNCs. You call for the interview for all the companies where they're going to accept the score, and you will get one job or multiple jobs, and finally your decision is where you're going to join as per your final decision. See the why you going to take TCS NQT examinations. The first, you have to improve your employability, the quotient, and your increase of visibility, which means your visibility is important for the every MNC company where they're going to accept or where they're going to conduct the examination or where they're going to take the direct interview process. Next, unlimited attempts, and you should be ready to work with the industry and the structure test. So you're going to ask what is the syllabus. The syllabus is going to be simple. Okay, now we have to check where is the syllabus. So here is the syllabus. The first is the numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability. These are the 3 sections very important for every software company examinations, like they're going to take online assessment. For this numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, we're going to prefer or we're going to refer the book which is we called as R.S. Agarwal. Yes, R.S. Agarwal's book is those books are which more than is enough to prepare for any software online assessment examinations. Most of the questions they're going to ask as per the standard of R.S. Agarwal. Next, the programming logics. So in this logic, these are the syllabus they're going to ask. Suppose if you are going to apply it for the IT jobs, like as a programmer, which we called as the developer. So these are the another programs, the programming languages like called C, C++, Java, Python or PRL. Perl. So these are the languages is enough to prepare for this NQT. So the examination is going to test you the coding skills as well as decision skills. And the next, so these are the main syllabus. You have to note down this syllabus. One is the numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and the programming skills, which is including C, C++, Java, Python. These main important. Okay, so once this syllabus is preparation is completed and you have to give this test and gain the test score, and finally apply for the all MNCs which will available on the TCS Ion Hub.in website. So same website here itself only. So for this application process you need to log in the site here. Yeah, the right corner, just you have to log in with the email ID, which is a registered email ID and the registered password. If you are a new candidate for the TCS Ion, just here is go, just click on login. So yes, click on login and you will get this pop-up, and click on the create account, and here you will see the 4 options. One is a learner, second is a publisher, and third is institution, and fourth is corporate. We need only the learner, and enter your name as per the SSC certificate, and enter the working email ID which is in your name. Do not enter your friend email ID or your father, mother, sister or brother email ID. Suppose if your name is a John Lucy, suppose your name, for example, I'm saying your email ID should be like this. Like this, which means email ID should contain your name. So that why means many HR candidates so many HRs will prefer the name as same as email ID, the email ID as same as the name. So this is very easy to recognize the candidate original email ID like this. Okay, and never use any other names. Okay, and this is your phone number, so working phone number. After entering the working phone number you will get OTP verification. Just validate here. Suppose say if you enter your phone number, just click this here, and they're asking for the OTP will be expiring in 30 minutes, means this number is got the OTP. Just use that OTP and validate, and click on the create account, and followed by that you have to enter your academic details, college details, and your state and address. All the details will be followed. Once the account is created, then you have to back and select the slot. Most of the slot will be continue from the 25th, so December onwards. Select the slot and select the near test center and prepare and start preparation on the examinations. So this is the TCS this is about the TCS NQT examinations. So if you have any questions, just use this page to get the many answers from this FAQs. TCS already given is many FAQs, so it's more than 30 FAQ. Sorry, it's only 30 FAQ is given. So you just go through all these question and answers, and you will get more information about NQT on this. Okay guys, thank you, and we'll give this link in the below, so description box, where you have to get this link, this page link, and you have to read all the information, and you have to apply for this NQT and get job in the MNCs. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much.